Again, the first thing, we will draw the line. After that, put the protractor. This line should be on 0, and that point should be on the start. Okay, now after that, we need to draw 25. Make a dot here on 25. And after that, take the scale, remove the protractor, and join. Join these 2 points like this. This is what? 25-degree angle. 25-degree angle. Now we will take this to the
Question
whiteboard.
number 2 is 37.
Let me complete question 1. What happened? What happened to you? Why you want to run? This question number 1. Question number 1. Angle 25 degrees. 25 degrees. Now we will see question number 2.
How many you want question number 2?
The first thing, for question number 2, we will make a line. After that, put the protractor on it. And 37. Make a dot on 37. This is 35, 36, and 37. This is 37. After that, join these two, this dot and this line with the ruler or with the scale. So you will get this 37 degrees. This is what? 37 degrees. 37 degrees. Question number 2. Question number 2. This is what? 37 degrees. 37 degrees. 35, 36, 37 degrees. Okay, now question number 3. We need 55. The first thing, we will draw the line and put the protractor here from where we want to draw the angle.
Mister, how we want to know? We want to put it in the right or in the left?
It is up to you. This is your choice. That's why 2 questions I was putting left. Now I'm going to put right. It is up to you, your choice. But if say right or left, if they say draw on the right or on the left, then you cannot do your own choice. The next one is 55. Where is 55? Here, from this side. This is 55. Okay. Now we will draw the line at 55. Understand?
Okay. 55.
This is 55-degree angle. We will take to the whiteboard.
So why we do it in the left, don't do it the right?
It is your choice. You can do on left or on your right. No problem. 55. We will measure from this side if we are measuring from left. If we are measuring from right, we will measure from this side. The lower ones. From here, the upper ones. 55 degrees. I hope you understand it.
Yes, yes.
That's Mr. It's easy.
Mister, like this, we take a lot of lines, Mister, like this. Okay, Mister.
Mister,
4, how many?
Mister, in the quiz, how you will do the question? I understand the lesson, but I want to know how you will do the question.
The mister he will put for us.
What you said?
I understand this, Mister, but I want to know how how the task will come in this lesson.
ما
In
بيجي
this
هذا
page.
الدرس ما بيجي.
When the task will come, then you will see, don't worry.
Mister, this
Okay.
lesson is not going to be in the task. I took the weekly plan, Mister.
Yes.
Okay, mister.
It's going to be from 9I to 9N, not from 9H.
Okay. Mister, complete.
يا شباب نمبر 1 كم سنتيم هذه
25
ها؟
25
Question number
بعدين 37
4.
بعدين 55.
Question number 4.
No, me.
160. 160.
Oh my God.
Okay, where the 160 will come? 90 from
No.
this side.
Another side, Mister.
160.
Yes.
Here. Right?
Okay. Yes.
160 from this side, 10, 20, 30, 90, 100, 120, 130, 140.
Yes.
This
To 160. Yes.
Then with the scale, you can draw this line.
Mister,
Correct?
Yes.
why you up
Mister, this easy.
160? I think one. Oh my God.
This question number 4. Now draw and check. Draw and check question number 5. Draw on your copies. I'll draw on the screen. You can check is it true or no. First, draw on your copies. All of you draw on your copies with the protractor. After that, I'll draw on the screen. Then you can check you did correctly or not. Who will do correctly will raise the hand or tick.
Okay, Mister. We will do. How many?
Okay.